In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add auto subtitle in Canva. So now you can see this is a Canva. So I open a design. It's called like 16 to 9 ratio. You can open any ratio as you need. So now click on file uploads. Now, so I want to upload a file. This called like this one. So this is my own recorded video. So now just turn and drag and drop, click on the right, set as a background. Wow, this one is good. So this is still loading, so I need to wait few seconds. So you can see here is a no subtitle available. So now just going on this app option, app, then now here are just type subtitle. Now just click on animate subtitle. Now click on open. Now again click on start. Wow, it's already processing. Now if you want to create whole the design, here is a 59 design available. So I don't need, I need only separate pages. It's called like only 7. So I select specific page. So now click on export. Wow, this is the final part for add subtitle. So now I need to select an accent and design, text design. So I like this one. Second one is best. So if I want to change, it's called like font, uh, size, and position. So I don't need, and I need to click on generate. So it's already transcribing your audio to subtitle. So I'm waiting few seconds. So you can see this is a line 1 2 3, it's divided. So just now check if you found any mistake here, you can recorrection as well. So I don't need, just click generate video with subtitle. Now click on add to region. Replace background. Wow, this is a new style as well. So I need to just, you can see animated subtitle has successfully updated to your media on your library. That's good. Now if I playing this video, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Google Drive link via Gmail. So you can see I open now. So you can see it's absolutely beautiful. This is a method how you can add auto subtitle in Canva. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.